These are the children of Shoot, a small village in Latakia, Jubilee province. They're out here paying their respects, laying flowers, planting trees in cemeteries. We've just returned from Jubilee's National Martyrs funeral. It's a cemetery dedicated to fallen soldiers. It's been an interesting day, a wet one. Everyone here is wet, but everyone is doing their duty. Children, the deputy mayor, reporters, journalists, Anwar Abu Hydra doing all his work. This man created this himself. It's a project that I'm pleased to work on. It's a non-profit organisation that go around planting trees for dead soldiers, dead citizens. They do tremendous work. And what's more, the youth of Syria is joining in. They're here on a wet day, soaking wet. And they're here planting trees and laying flowers on soldiers' graves. It's the generation that's died is being looked after by the new generation. These young men and women of the future.